Learn Persian alphabet, letter Jim. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of learning Persian alphabet. In this part, I'm going to teach you Persian alphabet and Persian alphabet pronunciation, how to write them, and give you some examples with the alphabets that we know so far. If you are an absolute beginner in Persian and you didn't watch the first part or the second part and the third part, first watch those parts, then come back here and watch this. And please just don't watch and forget about doing homework or anything. If you are an absolute beginner, if you don't know the alphabet, it's the best time for you to practice and do your homework. And also you can send the pictures or the videos of your homework for me in the Telegram group chat or also in DM of my Instagram. If you don't want any other student see your handwriting, if you are a bit shy and don't want to share it with another students in a group, so you can send it in my Instagram DM, private message, direct message, I will answer and check them as soon as possible. I will promise you. So let's start the part 4. Letter Jim. The sixth Persian letter is named Jim and it is pronounced J, J, J. Like in the beginning of the word Jeep in English or the letter J in English in the word Jeep or Jack, it sounds J. In the beginning and middle of the word, it is formed like this. For example, کجا, جمعه, مجبور, جهان. In the end of the word, it is like, for example, باج, کاج, کنج, موج. Now I'm gonna show you a text. You can pause the video and find the two forms of the letter Jim. Now if you did the exercise, you can check your answer here. Now let's make some new words with the letters that we know so far. Alef, B, P, T, S, J. Taj, تاج, crown. پادشاه تاج را بر سرش گذاشت. پادشاه تاج را بر سرش گذاشت. بجا, بجا, بجا. Proper, good, suitable. کار بجایی بود. کار بجایی بود. باج, باج, ransom. اینقدر بهشون باج نده. اینقدر بهشون باج نده. Well, now it's your turn. Your homework is to write 3 lines of this letter and these words. And as you know, you can share your homeworks with me. I will check them. And if you have any questions, ask me in comments. I will answer you as soon as possible. My name is Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.